check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, yeah, well, I'm on Topps 2021 Pro debut. Here he has 3 autograph card per box. CD Dur, I don't know much about him. He was a 2019 first round draft pick. Didn't really see what team he was on. Let's see how many cards are in here. Kind of tells you. But you see, this is like the second time opening these kind of packs. So let's see what kind of here treasures. The bottom part. Maybe it looks like bigger it is. You know, it's just a joke. Okay, let's see the first pack. This is what it looks like. In the back, you want to read odds, put it on pause. Let's see. So it's kind of like different, I guess, it's like different styles of former top cards, actually. I don't know why this seems, I don't know. These cards are not really, oh well. Good Chrome, 1985, something. I have no idea what's going on with my camera right now. Suddenly it just started to get darker. Ooh. I don't know. Here's Carlos Jr. William Rose. Ooh, got a bunch of back-to-back players. Nolan, Major League Tops. Oh, Jeter. We use the minors. Debut, Giant. Mike, right? I have no idea what happened to my damn thing. I don't know what's going on here. Well, now it's too bright. Ah, Jesus Christ. First got 96. Not really numbered. Chrome. Pro debut. Just red. I guess it's like 1990 tops. Like 2 night tops. Kind of style to it. Debut, major debut. And the last one. Okay. I don't know why this is not my day, or I feel like some kind of evil spirits are messing with my camera. Got Joe Better, Rangers, the White Sox. Interesting mix, because this pack is mostly like the Chrome. You know, like the 92 style mixture. Got power. There we go. Chrome. GT Horn. Debut. Haven't got my autograph card yet. Leonard. You got the Patrick Kenny late night. Always like the nice tops. I like the style. last one. So I got a total of, this is the next one. After this one, three more packs. I know why I'm having so much difficulty doing my cameras today. Give me. Well, the problem with the thing right here, I just have a hard time looking at the names. So any players you like, let me know. Really kind of cool pictures. I get tops. Only times I didn't like their pictures is the Stadium Club with the Heat. The Heat is on. Debut, got a Chrome. Still looking for the autograph card, yo. 103 pick, 21 pick. Pro Deep Giants. He's with the San Jose, maybe. I don't know what. Oh, it's a rookie league. That's what he was. I guess San Jose became minus A or something. It used to be plus A. Catfish. I have not seen my autograph or a number card yet. Well, Giants. It's kind of cool. With the Giants, I'm say Giants. Those are his little stats right there. He kind of blew out, like 3% of the Hall of Fame votes. 89 pick. Got from more Chrome. Freedom. Sucks. I have not got an autograph card yet. Supposed to be 3 or 2 of these. 200,000 pick. 45 pick. 27 picked. Aaron's. He's like a pitcher. Jack Jones. Pick. Okay, I'm a little upset right now. Where's my autograph? The guy look happy and stuff. G.D. Glenn. He's an AAP 52 pick. Some of the players I'll sign, their pick is really low. Bryce, Willie Mays. Miller, Willie Mays card, the Millers. Yeah. Oh, autograph. Finally got autograph. Nick Lofton. Maybe do a part 2. Chrome. Picked. 41 picked. Angels. 16 pink. Ed Howard. The 92 tops. Here you go. Sorry about light. I'm in the hotel right now, so don't get mad at me. Just like and subscribe. Tell me what you think. Look, for autograph, Cody Hinman. Second autograph. Houston Astro debut. Chrome. So the Giants guy. Jimmy. Dallas Baptist. Didn't know they're a team for the Giants. Maybe with a different team. And the last one. So let me know, like and subscribe. Maybe let me know. And maybe I'll do better next time. Thanks for watching. And I'm very sorry about glare. These are the cards I will look for. Right, this one here is a Matthew Lillard. It's a numbered 7 out of 25. So this is a bonus video for you folks. Ones I've overlooked. This is a card. It's 54 out of 75. And this right here is 23 out of 99. And I did find one of the last of the autographs. Ah, God, why is it so hard to do this today? Why are you being so difficult? That autograph right here. Giants. Like Grant McRae or something. So yeah, that's the bonus video. So like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Maybe do better next time. Bye.